Next topic is mode of nutrition in plants. The way of nutrition in plants. We know that plants are a type of living organism. Since it is preparing food and it is used by the different part of that body, it stay healthy and it is growing. Right. So we are going to see how plant is getting nutrients, what is a different way of producing nutrients. First of all, we will see what is the definition for nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. It is the way of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. We can say there are mainly two types of mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. First of all, we can talk about autotrophic mode of nutrition. It is the way of nutrition in which organisms make food by themselves using simple substances. Organisms make their own food using simple substances can be called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Do you know why we given a term autotrophic? The meaning of auto is self. Trophos means nourishment. Self-nourishment. Preparing their own food. They are known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. And the living organism which can make their own food is known as autotrophs. The living organism which can prepare their own food is known as autotrophs. Example for autotroph is plants. Now we can move to the second mode of nutrition. It is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend others for their food. Why we given a term heterotrophic? Hetero, the word meaning is other. Trophos means nourishment. We are depending others for our food is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, the living organism which depend upon ready-made food prepared by plants are called as heterotrophs. Example, human beings, animals, etc.